Hey guys, it's Kevin. Today I'm going to show you how to change the data cable for the CR encoder and the page width sensor. This is for L1800 and 1390. If you got 1390, you'll probably have another cable for the CSIC. But this video is focused on the CR encoder, which is a printhead cartridge return encoder that reading the timing scale clear belt. If you don't have it working, your printhead will not figure out where it is and usually it's slammed to the left of your printer. Cable, you can go to BCH Technologies.com and just search for 13P CR PW. That's a 13-pin cartridge return and a PW sensor. You're going to see this 13-pin page width CR encoder sensor. This cable is pretty long. It's going to run the full width of the printer. First, we're going to remove this APG assembly. I'll post a video about how to do that in the link above. Now we go to the right side. On the right side, you can see this half moon thing. You want the flat side beyond the top, so just keep it this way. If your printer still have a left frame support right here, remove it, and this one already got removed. I'm talking about this plate right here. Now I'm going to remove those two large torsion springs. Those springs is used to push the rod down. And then take a closer look. It got direct contact with the rod. The whole thing is very easy to remove. Oh, by the way, this will be a pretty advanced project. You want to watch the whole thing, make sure that you're comfortable with it. And another spring on the right, and notice that half moon thing, and just keep it that way when you remove it. Yeah, this will be a pretty long video, so I'm probably cutting half, so do two videos. On the right side, you got another torsion springs. And this spring is weird, it goes straight forward. And pay attention, you can just lift it up, remove it. And the trick is how to install it. I'm going to show you later. The function of this spring is to stabilize this assembly. This assembly holds the clear belt, the CR scale, and you can see without this spring, it's wobbly. Now on the left side, in the back of the printer, we're going to remove this extension spring. It's a very strong spring, so be careful. I don't want you poke your eyes out. I still need your eyes to watch my YouTube videos. Okay, now we can remove this drive belt. And we remove 4 screws on the top. Now we can remove this rail guard. If you wonder what this printer is, it is DTF Pro Fusion Model J. Now down the left side, we're going to move this piece, not remove this piece, move this piece. So I use a marker to mark the position. This piece adjusts the parallelism of the rod. So we're going to remove, and then we lift up the tab and push it aside. Otherwise, this piece is going to interfere with the rod. You cannot lift up the rod. And this is the CR scale. Your whole problem is your printer cannot read this scale. I think a Model J get this screw backwards. It should be from outside. Anyway, so you're going to remove this. You can keep the scale on if you want. So just lift this up and see here and go inside and leave it there. And here you can see a white spacer. And get a small plier and remove that spacer. Okay, this first part of the video, I got about 5 printers to fix, and here's a 2000 shirts just coming today I have to press. So stay tuned for the part 2. I hope you enjoyed this video. Visit us at www.bchtechnologies.com or locally at Greensboro, North Carolina. Cheers.